Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on and do a quick little demo video for you on one of the most fascinating parts that really made me fall in love with this company. So there is chemical cleaning, which is what we're all used to doing, and then cleaning with the Norwex envirocloth. That's called mechanical cleaning, where you are mechanically removing the germs and bacteria. So if you're anything like me, I was addicted to anything that came in a container like this. I had one in each one of my bathrooms, underneath my kitchen sink. Anytime my kids were sick, these were out at the ready, and I would go from one service to another, wiping everything down, thinking that I was doing a great job, but I wasn't actually. Some of you might actually follow the directions, and yes, then they are completely effective. However, they're not healthy for you, and skin is our biggest organ. So number one, you should have been wearing gloves because they are hazardous to humans and domestic animals. There's chemicals in this that are essentially like cleaning with pesticides. So kind of gross. But not only that, you are supposed to leave a surface visibly wet for 4 minutes. So use enough of these wipes over and over to leave a surface wet for 4 minutes. Let that dry, then clean it down with clean water. And you will have effectively cleaned. I'm going to guess that most people are like me, though, and they were not cleaning that way. So total money down the drain for me, and I was probably just getting people more and more sick, and I'm going to show you why. I'm going to get you set up here. Before I do, I'll show you. I'm going to be using GlowGerm. It's simulated germs. Companies will use this to test their effectiveness with their products without using actual germs, so it behaves in the exact same way. And I do have, like I said, my glove now because now that I know I don't want to be absorbing any more chemicals than I already have for the last umpteen years. So yeah, let me get you set up. So yeah, I'm just going to take that GlowGerm, sprinkle some down on the counter here. Or if you can hear my little guy in the background, this is what happens when you're a mom working from home. So reacts to that black light. Put on my glove. Grab my wipe and clean the way how I used to do. And I actually am going to wipe this surface way longer than I even used to. Let me show you what I'm doing here. So you can see the counter back here and all of this glowing. So what am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm just spreading the germs around. So here's the counter without it and all the space that I just cleaned. So yeah, cool. So I already have my damp envirocloth folded 2 times. So I've got a nice flat surface. And I'm just going to take this and wipe it right down the middle. And so that's mechanical cleaning. That's actually physically removing it from the surface. Now again, I would go from toy to water bottle to doorknob, and I would keep using that same wipe because it was still damp, right? So I'm going to keep cleaning with it. And I would just spread the germs around. So much money down the drain. Again, same envirocloth, same side. You can see the GlowGerm on there. Completely gone. Again, I would just keep wiping. I'd keep wiping it on. Again, take the same envirocloth, same side, and I can still just keep removing it over and over again because those fibers that are so dense, it just keeps trapping it in there and completely removing it.